Welcome to our journey back in time as we explore the world of vintage-inspired bedroom designs. If you're someone who loves nostalgia, charm, and the classic elegance of bygone eras, then a vintage-inspired bedroom might be the perfect style for you. In this video, we'll dive into the essential elements, color palettes, furniture choices, and decor tips that can help you create a beautiful, cozy, and timeless space. A vintage-inspired bedroom is all about embracing the beauty of the past and incorporating it into a modern setting. Unlike modern minimalism, which focuses on simplicity, vintage decor is often rich in detail, layering, and intricate patterns. The key to achieving a vintage look is to find a balance between antique charm and contemporary comfort, making the room not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional for daily use. Let's start with the color palette, one of the most important elements in creating a vintage-inspired bedroom. Vintage designs often feature soft, muted tones that evoke a sense of calm and warmth. Think about shades like dusty pinks, sage greens, soft blues, and creamy whites. These colors add a sense of timelessness to the room, and their gentle hues can make the space feel cozy and welcoming. You can also consider warmer colors like rust, mustard yellow, or deep burgundy, which add depth and richness. These colors not only provide a warm, nostalgic feel but also add an elegant touch that's perfect for a vintage look. Next, let's talk about furniture. Vintage-inspired bedrooms often showcase pieces with character and history. When choosing furniture, look for pieces that have intricate detailing, curved lines, and maybe even a bit of wear and tear, which adds to their charm. The bed is usually the focal point in a vintage bedroom, so consider getting a wrought iron or wooden bed frame. Headboards with tufted fabric or carved wooden details add a luxurious, antique touch. Textiles play a big role in vintage bedrooms.